Okay, so I'm gonna make a 4x4 cube, right? Okay. And then you're gonna make your 2x2 cube. You can do it 2x2x2, that's fine. So you can copy this. This is the easiest way to do it. Okay. And then these are pull points for your cube. So if you want this to be longer, make it 6. If you want the axis to be longer, go ahead and make that 6. And if you want to cut through the y-axis, you can cut through that way. So it gives you all 3 without having to rotate them. So what I would do is I would take a line, okay, and I would cross a line on this face. I would repeat my line here, okay, and then you're also going to want to place one here. Whoops. Just make sure they're placed appropriately, and then you're going to want one here as well, okay, and then your last one will be this face because you got to put one on that face as well. And then for this one, because it's the Y, you're going to want to go across there, okay? So then all you have to do is take these, and you're just going to do a standard move. Select the midpoint of that one and place it on the midpoint of that one. And you'll have this one, and you just take the midpoint of that one and place it on top of there. And then this one, using your reference lines that you created for these spaces, you'll go ahead and put it there. It should look something like this, which looks kind of confusing, but confirm that it's all straight by going on your view cube here and just making sure. See how this one did not get placed correctly? So go ahead and grab it and place it. Oops, it doesn't look right. Yeah, okay, that should be right now. Yeah. So even though you think you've put things in the correct places, sometimes you don't. Okay, so then what you're going to do is you're going to do a subtraction, and I'll do it in conceptual so you can see this a little bit better. You're going to do a subtract. You're going to select this object, and then you're going to select all 3 of these and delete them. So what you should have now is this. Okay.
Okay, and then, but then all they do is tell me to go see an orthopedist, and then I end up at the orthopedic, and they have to redo it again, and it's probably
okay. So then,
so it's kind of only having gone through this with my kids.
Okay, there you go.
Okay.
Make sure those are all gone. Right, then you have a clean cube. So you're going to select it.
Yep. All right.
And you're just going to continually place it where it needs to go. Okay.
Thank you.
And you'll put it on all. See, wait until that corner point lights up. Wait until the corner point lights up. Okay.
Wait, seriously?
See? Select, copy.
Yeah.
Here we go. 1. Focus. And then again, zoom in, focus. See? And then go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now here's your cube. Okay. Let me see how to shoot all sides. So you have the holes in it. It should look like this on all the sides so that you know that it's all even.